Ever wondered how machines can learn like humans? It's all thanks to neural networks, the digital mimicry of our own brains. But what are these neurons everyone talks about? And why are they stacked in layers like a digital lasagna? Let's decode the mystery. First up, the neuron. Think of it as a tiny processing unit. It takes inputs, performs a calculation, and produces an output. Just like biological neurons, digital neurons receive signals, process them, and then send signals to other neurons. Inside, it's a simple math equation. Inputs are multiplied by weights, summed, and then passed through an activation function.
Airline seat.
This function determines whether the neuron fires or not, like a light switch turning on or off.
These questions,
It's the activation function that allows the neuron to learn nonlinear relationships. The weights are the key to learning. They're like dials that the network adjusts to improve its performance. Think of it as a recipe. The weights are the amounts of each ingredient, and the activation function is the cooking process. Now, why layers? Imagine trying to recognize a cat in a picture. You don't just see the whole cat at once. You see edges, shapes, textures, and then put them all together. That's what layers do. The first layer might detect edges and basic shapes. The next layer combines those shapes into more complex features, like eyes or ears. And the final layer puts all the features together to recognize the cat. Each layer builds upon the previous one, creating a hierarchy of features. The input layer receives the raw data, the hidden layers perform the feature extraction, and the output layer produces the final result. The more layers, the more complex patterns the network can learn. This is why deep learning, with many layers, is so powerful. So how does the network learn? It's all about adjusting those weights. The network is shown examples, and it makes predictions. If the predictions are wrong, the weights are adjusted to reduce the error. This process, called backpropagation, involves sending the error signal back through the network, layer by layer, and updating the weights. It's like a feedback loop, constantly refining the network's understanding. This is why having a lot of data is important. The more examples the network sees, the better it can adjust its weights and improve its accuracy. So, neurons and layers work together, adjusting weights and learning from examples. That's the magic behind neural networks. It's a complex process, but hopefully you now have a clearer picture. Tell me in the comments, what other neural network concepts are you curious about? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Keep exploring and keep learning.